Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Thai Wanderer. Today, we are headed towards the open house in the Central Embassy Shopping Center. So, the Central Embassy is a massive shopping center, mostly housing a lot of luxury brands, and it's off of the Plunget BTS station. So it's very close. You can just get off the Plunget station,
สวัสดีครับเดี๋ยวกลับมา
more
ครับ
than
เดี๋ยวมาครั
100
บ
plus meters to the Central Embassy Shopping Center. And this particular floor area on the sixth floor, so you basically just take the escalator or the lift all the way on top. You go into this open area place called the Open House. I heard it is designed by a Scandinavian architectural interior design company. So hence, I think a lot of the design cues that is, not really Asian, but more, I guess, Scandinavian. So yeah, if you look, it's really cool place to come and just hang out. It's basically just an open area of tables and books. You can actually just take these books from these shelves and just sit down and have a read. I guess it's on a kind of an honor system, I guess. So you don't have to buy these books. You can just pick up the books that you want to read and just read them. And once you're done reading them, you just put them back on the shelf. So I guess there is an honor system whereby they probably hope that you don't or won't steal anything from the shelves. I don't think anyone would, I guess. But yeah, and what's cool is that all along the area you have these open area cafes and restaurants like this oyster bar, raw bar. You've got a lot of nice eateries and foods all around, cafes, and they're just in the open air, so you can just go to any shop that you want and pick up the food and then come sit at a table. You can come with friends or even just come by yourself and have some oysters or even have a beer and just relax, do some work in the late afternoon. That is around early afternoon, so I think probably in the evening the view would probably be a lot better. But here I'm just panning up just so you can get the view all of Bangkok, which is really nice and very nice atmosphere, very quiet. I think people kind of know that this is sort of kind of a nice chilling working atmosphere. So everyone sort of respects, I think, the tranquility that goes on. Yeah, so let's walk around. You can see what there is. They've got coffee. They've got everything here. Really nice area. You got sushi bar. And yeah, even the sushi bar here, you can trust that it's safe, it is clean, and well prepared. Let's sort of see what is on the other side. So they do pretty good job of having a mix of a variety of types of cuisines. As you saw sushi, you saw even a raw bar. We headed over to the other side where you will see a nice little mascot there. We'll see they've even got burgers, Italian pizza. Really nice. Let's sort of mosey on over to the other side. This place looks really delicious. I mean, you've got a lot of different types of bakeries and cakes and desserts. Yeah, so it's kind of a place that has everything for any time of day, I guess. If you come in the early afternoon, you can come for maybe tea time, a coffee break, have some cakes and pastries, or you can come in the evening, have dinner, or even after dinner, have some drinks and everything. So it's kind of I guess that's why it's called open house. It's kind of open for any time of day to come. I have no idea what broccoli revolution is. I don't know, but let's sort of head over to the other side. And not limited to adults, as you will go over here around the corner. You will see they've got some nice kids activities and play areas here as well. I think in certain times you've got a lot of families, and some families, for example, Japanese families, whereby the husband might be working, and then you have the wife and maybe a young kid. She can bring her kid to come play over here while she sits down, have some ice cream, have some tea. I did try this ice cream place, which is really, really nice. It's Italian gelato. Very nice and decent price considering this is placed in one of the most premium shopping centers, so it's not too expensive actually. All the prices were actually quite reasonable. You didn't feel that anything was really overpriced. And I will be coming back to this. This is one of the, I think, good places in here called Smizzle Burger. If you have heard, they're actually famous for the fry when they do the cheeseburger. They actually fry the cheese into a crispy, thin shell in which they put on the burger, which is, I think, really quite unique. You've got some roasted duck restaurants, and yeah, lastly, Peppina, an Italian pizzeria. It's Napoli style pizza, so if you like Napoli style pizza, this is a pretty good place. Okay, it's maybe not the best Napoli pizza in town, but it's not bad. Now, after that nice walk, I am getting hungry, and we've just ordered their signature Smizzle cheeseburger. You can see the fried cheese on top, like a UFO. So let's have a seat and let's eat. I just had the basic set, just the cheeseburger and some crispy fries. Now, I was actually surprised when I was, showing you guys opening the cheeseburger, seeing the cheese, the burger, the patty, everything. I was especially surprised about how soft the bread was. I mean, jeez, the bread is really nice and soft. I mean, you touch it and it just deflates. I mean, they've really got some nice, good, soft bread, which makes it, quite easy to eat and chow down. So, yeah, I would highly recommend Smizzle Burger. Perfect for lunch, even dinner. So yeah. Anyways, while I'm eating, let me know what you think of these videos. You've seen some other videos I've had just sort of subtitles, which I don't know. I thought it was maybe it could be a bit tedious, having you guys having to read the subtitles. So I wanted to do some sort of a gently overlining these videos with some soft voiceovers. So let me know what you guys prefer, and what you prefer to watch and what you want to listen to, and yeah, also let me know where else you want me to wander to. I was thinking of maybe checking out some maybe animal markets. In Thailand you've got the Jajujak market where they sell just weird creatures and weird animals. Let me know if you guys want to see that, or if you want me to go tour other sort of food places, markets, or even stuff at night. Do let me know. But anyways, yeah, this is the open house at the Central Embassy. Again, it's off of the Plunget station. I will leave the GPS location below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please do help like, share, and subscribe. And again, this is the Thai Wanderer, and I am signing out. Take care and have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.